Okay, so what to do when stock market completely fucks you in the ass, or with other words, what to do when stock market crashes just like it did on Friday. Okay, so if you were listening to the news on Friday, Donald Trump announced that China will get, I think, 100% increase in the tariffs, which resulted in stock market crashing completely. Like we were taking a major shit, bro. But luckily, I made some profit on Friday because if in every bad situation you can also profit. Okay, so yeah, we were making money anyway. So yeah, but if you were a little bit scared and thinking, okay, what the hell should I do now on Monday? And yeah, let's discuss what you should do. Okay, it's nothing to worry about. You will not be worried as this guy. So yeah, let's go. Okay. So the three main points that we are going to discuss are that stock market always grows, and you will see that also we will dive into the topic that they actually manipulate the market, okay, just like what happened on Friday. And survival is crucial if you want to survive then that infinite growth that the market does, okay? So let's go. First main point is market always grows, okay? Because the thing is, bro, you have to think about the market same as your life, okay? You have to always sacrifice something in order for you to grow, okay? This is just general life, okay? In life, for example, you have one shitty relationship, okay? Then you learn something from it, you sacrificed that time, you were absolute shit, okay? And then next relationship is fucking amazing, okay? Same is with the friends. With friends, for example, you are not friends anymore with your friends from primary school, okay? When you were like 10 years old kid, okay? Why? Because you simply sacrifice them in order for you to grow, because you want to achieve something better in your life, okay? Same is with the sport, okay? You go to the swimming pool, you go to the gym, wherever you go, you have like body pain, like, oh shit, your biceps is hurting, but still, 1 week after that, you see the results because you don't give up. You are sacrificing your time, your energy, your basically everything in order for that growth, okay? That muscle growth, okay? And same is with the stock market, okay? We are gonna see what happened with the stock market in the last 170 years, and you will see clear examples how we were sacrificing our profits in order for the market to grow, okay? So let's take a look. Here you can see the chart actually that is from this book called The Psychology of Money, and you can see that the stock market was actually since 1850 up until 2010, for example, as this chart shows, the market was growing. Of course, it had some major bumps, like for example here, you see here the stock market went down and then up again, okay? Here it went down a little bit and then up again. You see the market goes up, the market goes up, okay? But what happened during that time, bro? A lot of major shit, okay? Just like the shit that happened on Friday, okay? So let's take a look, bro. During those 170 years, there were 9 wars. Almost all the companies that were existing in that period filed for bankruptcy. 4 presidents were killed, then fucking pandemic, natural disasters, 33 recessions, stock market fell more than 10%, 102 times, stocks lost 1/3 of their value, like at least 12 times, annual inflation was 7%, 20 years, and so on and so on and so on. So the point that I'm trying to make is all of those things, bro, all of those things happened, and still the market, where did it go? It went fucking up. It went fucking up, okay? You see here, bro, our lifestyle improved 20 times despite all of those things. Why? Because stock market always grows. And why does it grow, bro? Because stock market is manipulated, okay? Stock market is manipulated because there is one very important concept that you need to think about. Rich people also invest in the stock market, okay? And this is crucial because rich people, just like every other person, wants growth. They want growth to not stop. They want infinite growth, okay? So if you want infinite growth, in what direction should stock market grow in order to have infinite growth? Of course, it has to go only up, bro. Why? Because, okay, let me make a new tab, okay? Look, why does it always have to go up? Look, this is the stock market, okay? And we are here. It went up, up, like that, okay? So let's say that rich people want to have profit, okay? So how will the stock market, how can you make stock market, I mean, how can you make profit in the stock market? Either by going long, which means you are betting that the stock market will go up, or you go short, okay? Which means that you are betting that the stock market will go down, okay? So let's say that the rich people want to short the market, okay? And let's say that the market right now is here at $25,000, okay? This is Nasdaq at 25,000, okay? So if they decide to short the market, okay, where will the market go, bro? The market will only go down, and the maximum profit that they will achieve is gonna be $25,000. Why? Because from this point right now here to the zero is $25,000 difference, okay? But if they decide, bro, that the market, that they want more money, okay? They decide that they want more money. So in order to achieve more money, bro, where will they go? Of course, they will go up. They will go up. Why? Because let's say that here the stock market here at this point is again 25,000, okay? And then if they go up, they will achieve 50,000. They will achieve 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, which is, if they go up, bro, they will make way more money rather than going down, because going down, they will make only $25,000. But if they go up, they will make double the money, 4 times the money. You see what I'm saying? So that's why rich people, if they want infinite growth as they want, they need to bring the market up. They need to keep increasing the market so that they can have infinitely like money printing machine. You know what I'm saying? And of course, now you're thinking, okay, I understand that, but then why do they do the crashes? Why don't they just increase the prices? Yeah, exactly, because every crash is an opportunity for the rich, as always, to get richer, okay? I'm gonna show you the chart now. So here you can see that the market crashed completely on Friday, okay? It absolutely shed the bed, okay? But if we go to a daily chart, bro, you will see that the market actually just touched the fair value gap here. You see, this is some trading concept, okay? Fair value gap basically means the imbalance in the price, because the price moved up so quickly that those people who were trying to buy couldn't buy at that exact price because the price went up so massively, okay? So then stock market, what it tends to do is that the price goes back into that fair value gap to also fulfill all of those orders that they couldn't fulfill because of the sudden movement, okay? And this is exactly the same thing as happened. You see, the fair value gap was generated, the price tapped into it once, twice, and now 3 times. Pam, pam, pam. And what will happen? The price will go up as always, okay? Because all of these things happened. Look, in May, for example, here at the end of May, massive move up, price touches the fair value gap, it goes up. Here also, it goes up, touches the fair value gap, bull run, okay? Let's go to tariffs. Where are the tariffs? Okay, tariffs were here in May, okay? Donald Trump gets elected, he says we're gonna put tariffs. What happens? Market absolutely crashes, absolutely mindfuck, bam, okay? And then Donald Trump says, okay, we will wait with the tariffs, bull run, bitch, it goes up. It's that simple, bro. Look, also here, if you survived this massive move down, look, in the tariffs, you will survive also this little move. It's that simple, bro. This little move is just maybe 1/5 of this tariff move that happened when the stock market absolutely crashed, okay? So you see what I'm saying? Like, okay, another proof, Bitcoin, okay? Here, Bitcoin Cash, what I was trading today, absolutely destroyed on Friday as well. But then the price comes down, touches this fair value gap here, you can see. Okay, let me show you. You can see it touches the fair value gap, boom, bull run, up. Today, only up, 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 up. I was making money today as well. You see what I'm saying? Bro, market is just so logical. It's so logical, bro, and it's so logically manipulated that it's gonna blow your mind, okay? Another proof, bro, look, this was in April, okay, when the tariffs happened, exactly this move. Let me show you. We had it here. So here Donald Trump said in April, okay, the stock market was crashing. He said, okay, buy stocks just hours before tariff pause happened. And what happened? What happened? Bull run, up. Price goes up. You see what I'm saying? So instead of being fearful and saying, oh shit, the stock market is crashing, you can say, okay, thank you, rich people, that you are manipulating the market because I'm gonna make money with you. Okay, it's that simple, bro. And speaking of survival, you are thinking, okay, if the stock market crashed, like how can I survive those crashes? One thing is, of course, to think as Warren Buffett. Okay, everyone is asking themselves, how did Warren Buffett got rich? Okay, what did he do? It's simple strategy, bro. He was surviving the stock market crashes, at least 10 of them during his 75 years stock market career, okay? And because of that survival, bro, because he didn't sell stocks, because he survived the crash, okay? He let the time to compound, and now he has 100 fucking billions in his bank account, okay? And now you are wondering, okay, how can I survive the crash, bro? It's very simple strategy, bro. Invest in the index. If you are a beginner, invest in Nasdaq 100, which is the technological index of the best technology stocks in the United States, and you're gonna make the bank, bro. You're gonna make the bread. Look, stock market since 2015, where is it? 2000, again, let's go back. Since 2013, bro, when I started first getting interest in the stock market, okay, where is 2013? Here. What did it do? Up, 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 up. 12 years of growth, bro. That's how you survive, okay? Index. Either you buy index because the market always goes up, or you can start considering investing in good stocks. And I made a full tutorial last year or 2 years ago actually, how to find good stocks, and I'm gonna make another one for 2026 because that's how we do, okay? You can watch that video here, okay? Additionally, very crucial thing when you are investing in the stock market in order for survival, bro, is not to use leverage, okay? Because leverage will force you to sell, okay? Because leverage, essentially what it means is you are borrowing money to achieve higher profits, but with higher profits you also get higher losses, okay? When I started investing in 2017, I was investing in Bitcoin when it was still $1,000. I was leveraging a lot, and because of the leverage I was panicking, I was feeling uncomfortable, and during the crashes I was selling with a loss, and that's how I lost at least 2,000 euros, bro, at least 2,000. And leverage is the same reason why people were losing money in 2008 real estate crash and 2020 Corona crash. Why? Because 2008 you could get a loan, every idiot could get a loan, okay? Because the bankers were getting greedy, okay? So they were giving loans, and then the bubble just was fucking inflated and it burst, okay? And people started to lose money. They started to panic. They started to sell everything because of the leverage, bro. Because they had to pay that money back, but if no one was renting, no money is coming in, nobody is buying, no money is coming in, you know what I'm saying? So they were losing money because of the leverage, and then because of that, they decided to sell, and because of that, they lost everything, bro. Because of the leverage, okay? So, how can you survive? Buy index, or if you are a beginner, or buy good stocks and do not use leverage. That has helped me survive, let's say, many mini stock market crashes. I am right now minus 300 euros in my real account, in my stock market account, okay? But I'm sure that the price will go up eventually, because as you can see here, bro, the price always goes up, always. So I think we are good to go, bro. I think we are good to go. Okay, bro, that's about it. Do the hard work and see you on top of the world. Shit, bro, another thing that I forgot to say is feel free to join the Discord. Wait, let me try to rotate the camera. Look, here we have Discord, okay? Ah, shit. Here we have Discord. I am putting all of the interesting things here. For example, daily analysis for the stock market, trading breakdown, self-improvement content, everything a little bit, you know. So, champion, feel free to join, do the hard work, and see you on top of the world.